Prepare starboard anchor.
Prepare starboard anchor.
Yes. We have to now lift it. Engine.
Stop engine.
Start to starboard. First, the approach is with the anchor 1 meter below the water.
1 meter below the water. Okay.
Okay. We are going to let go the anchor until channel number 5 on deck. Okay.
Okay.
By gravity.
By gravity. Okay.
By gravity. Then until channel number 7 or 8.
Shaker.
Yeah. By gravity.
Okay.
Tackle by tackle, as my advice. Okay.
Okay.
Tackle by tackle.
Okay.
The first line to send is this one. Forward breast.
Forward
Number
breast.
1. The first. Second, headline. Headline,
Handline.
the second. Okay. Then, by the inner drums, okay, the stern line. One drum and one loose line to this one. This is first, second, third, and finally both springs. Okay?
Okay. Spring line finally.
Yes. We have to stay probably 4 meters separated to the.
Separated 4 meter.
Yes, 4. It depends what say the terminal. Okay.
第一次靠泊船不能贴上码头，必须离岸4米远。一共花费了3个小时，终于靠好码头了。前后带了14条缆绳。